guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. You guys are safe and not stepping out of home if it's not very urgent. And Rakhi is round the corner, right? And most of us probably are not with our brothers and sisters. For me it's the same case, and for I hope many of us must be going through the same. It's a really emotional festival. It is the festival of bond with brother and sister. But I thought, why not let's get ready and celebrate this festival, maybe virtually. And to all those who are with their brother and sister, you guys are lucky enough. Lots of love, blessings to you. But for people like me who are away from their brothers, can definitely do a virtual Rakhi celebration. And what's Rakhi without a little bit of jazzing up and getting ready? So I thought, just to create a simple look which will be very easy and convenient, and which will be very affordable as well as very quick. This entire look has only taken 10 minutes for me. Especially it is very necessary for people like me who are just new mothers. We hardly have time to get ready. So in this scenario, this is something which has actually taken 10 minutes. So anybody who wish to see how I have created this look, please keep on watching, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because guys, I am doing a lot of hard work to come back to you. Maybe the frequency of my videos are less, but it is consistent than before. So I hope you guys will like this video, because it's very easy. And if you do, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will start with my Plum Moisturizer. This is my day cream and this is super hydrating. I am just loving this. I have been using it for quite a while now, like around a month, and this has done wonders to my skin. You can just see the difference from my previous videos to now. After that, I'll take my Maybelline Sun Beige 310 Fit Me and just quickly put it all across my face in random dots, as usual in the spots where I require, in the neck area, in the ears, and then quickly I'll blend it all in together. So I am just putting it all across. For my blending, I'm using the Maybelline buffing brush. So I'll just quickly blending it. Blend. So again, I'm telling you and repeating you must be knowing already that blending is all about dabbing and not dragging. So just keep blending in, have some patience. So that's why I have just fast forwarded it, so that you guys can you do not miss out on something. After that, I'm taking the blending is done properly. I will take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium sand, and just a little bit, not too much of concealing, just to give it a highlighted effect in the usual areas. I'll put it, so you can see I'm putting it in a very less quantity, and then I'll again quickly blend the concealer very well with the same buffing brush which I use for my foundation. So blend it properly. Just see that all the creases are filled in. So I have not used a primer today because it is at home kind of a look, so I have skipped it. You can use it if you want, because my moisturizer is very thick. So now I'll use the brow pencil from Maybelline itself, and I'll just quickly do my brows as well. I'll take the Maybelline Pearl White Compact after this, and you'll see I'll set all the areas where I have put in concealers so that there is no crease line whatsoever. So quickly I'll just set in all my concealed areas only. I'm not putting the compact all over too much, all the concealed areas only. After that, I'm taking my Maybelline Master Chrome palette and just taking the blush from it and just putting the blush. I'm not contouring because I will be at home, so just putting the blush. And from the same palette, I'll take the highlighter and just put it on the highest point of my cheekbones, on my nose, on the cupid bows, a little bit on the forehead and the chin. Now from the same Master Contour palette, the brown shade, I'll just take it in a white or in the clean brush and just from the crease to entire lid. First starting from the crease and bringing it inside, and then I will put it across the lid just to give it a little bit of definition, give it the depth on my eyelids. So I am doing it with the same color. So this is very easy, like for in 10 minutes you don't need to have multiple things around. You can just go ahead. To give it a little bit of shimmer, I'm using the Maybelline Color Sensational Topaz palette. Although I don't like this palette too much, but it has a golden color which I like, so I'm using this one with the flat brush, and I'll just place it across from the inner corner of the eyes to the middle portion of the eyelid. So just you can also use your fingers if you are comfortable with that, but I like to go like this as of now. So yeah, so after this is done, this I'll take all the colors just at a go with the same flat brush and just put some of it in the lower lash line. Now I'm taking my Maybelline mascara and giving a good coat to my lashes. Coat of mascara makes your look very prominent, so I apply it regularly. Even if I don't wear makeup, mascara is something I just don't let it go. So I'll just put the mascara on both my eyes. Now I'll just quickly curl my lashes with my eyelash curler so that it looks more long, although I have a very long eyelashes. And now once it is done, I'll use my Maybelline Superstay lipstick and just finish off the entire look quickly while applying this. So that's all I have done for this makeup. So this is the final look. You can definitely add up a little bit of bling, you can add up an eyeliner and everything, and avoid that little munchkin voice from behind. But I'm sure you will like this video because this is a very quick look. You do not have to be a makeup pro to do this. If you did like this video, please hit the bell button down below, give it a big fat thumbs up, and have a nice, safe, virtual Raksha Bandhan. Until next time, stay safe, stay at home.